Today I'm reviewing Motorplast by Koch Chemie. This product is an engine bay protectant and dressing all in one. According to Koch Chemie, it's anti-corrosive, water displacing, and heat resistant, and it also bonds to the plastic and engine components. It also brings up the look of the engine bay. Right now this engine bay is just a little dusty and grimy. You can kind of see, not bad, but it just needs a refresh. In order to use it, the first thing you need to do is actually clean and rinse off the engine bay. Now that we've done a cleaning of this engine bay, that's when it's time to apply Motorplast. You can do it to a wet or dry surface. I prefer not using a lot of water on engine bays, so I just do it after I've dried it off after cleaning it. And you're just going to mist all the areas of the engine bay with this. So here we go. You want to definitely be liberal with this. There's really nothing that you can't spray this on, so it's great on metal, plastic, anything under the hood. And this cowl area up here is definitely a place you can spray down. It has a nice scent, maybe a banana scent. What you do is you close your hood and come back in 30 minutes, and then you'll see how nice it looks. So it's been 30 minutes. Let's see what we got. That looks so good. You know, if you're going to sell your car or something, you make your engine bay look like this. Somebody is really going to pop the hood and have a wow moment. I will ding it a little bit because you do have to use a lot to cover the engine bay. Now this is a small engine, so I use probably 1/4 of a bottle. But if you have a big engine bay with a lot of surface area, you're going to go through 1/3 of a bottle probably. Still a 5-star product to me. You know, maybe 4.9 if you want to ding it for cost.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Please hit that notification bell so you know when I drop more content. Thanks, and see you on the next one.